Hello everyone, let's have a recap of the past week. We started off with a slip knot, that is you go under, over, pull out a loop, and we did the chain stitches, that is yarn over, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull out a loop. And we started off with a single crochet, that is you insert, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull out of the 2 loops. Again, next we did a half double crochet, yarn over, insert, pull out a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull out of all the 3 loops. Again, next stitch is a half double crochet, which is yarn over, insert, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull out of first 2, and yarn over, pull out of the next 2. So the next will be triple crochet, that is yarn over twice, insert, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull out of first 2, yarn over, pull out of next 2, and yarn over, pull out of the last 2. The next is double triple crochet, that is you yarn over thrice, insert, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull out of first 2, yarn over, pull out of next 2, yarn over, pull out of next 2, and yarn over, pull out of the last 2. So this is the recap of the first week, and I'll meet you all with yet another crochet stitch.